4Runner is among the most iconic vehicles in Toyota's lineup. This legendary nameplate has sold over 4 million units since it debuted in 1984 and redefined the adventure SUV, all while establishing a fiercely loyal following, especially in the off-road community, where it's become a standout for blazing trails to incredible destinations. For 2025, 4Runner has been redesigned from the ground up and is ready to take on the next epic adventure. 4Runner's rugged athleticism, which is evident in its high lift, lean body, and big tires, has been thoroughly modernized to enhance both performance and comfort, all while packing the latest technologies. And with a whopping 9 grades to choose from, it has one of the most diverse lineups in the Toyota family, meaning there's truly something for everyone. 4Runner's performance comes courtesy of the amazing torque output of the new turbocharged engines found across its lineup. The standard iForce gas engine makes a healthy 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, while the available iForce Max hybrid electric system cranks out up to 326 horsepower and an incredible 465 pound-feet of torque. All of that power is easily accessed too, thanks to both powertrains making their peak torque at a low 1700 RPM, resulting in an even more responsive drive. As a result, both options give 4Runner plenty of punch for everything from steep trails to highway passes, all while bringing the added benefit of enhanced fuel economy. This impressive blend of power and efficiency is just one way 4Runner delivers a refined on- and off-road experience. Its high-strength chassis, standard double wishbone front, and multi-link rear coil suspension balances smoothness and stability, as well as enhance its on-road driving agility in the case of the TRD-tuned shocks found on TRD Sport grades. Taking this story a step further is the available adaptive variable suspension offered on limited and platinum grades. By adjusting the damping force based on road conditions, this system gives 4Runner a stable, premium ride, especially when combined with the available full-time four-wheel drive system. When the pavement ends, 4Runner's capability is just getting started. In addition to standard part-time four-wheel drive, an electronically controlled locking rear differential, and all-terrain tires, 4Runner's off-road grades feature standard Bilstein shocks on the TRD off-road grade, along with advanced tech like the available multi-terrain select, available crawl control, and the available stabilizer disconnect mechanism, all of which help this rugged SUV get through tough terrain. Taking this a step further, the all-new Trailhunter grade comes complete with a lifted suspension with Old Man Emu shocks, making it the perfect vehicle for overlanding, off-roading where the journey is the focal point. Meanwhile, TRD Pro doubles down on thrilling adventures in the dirt with its Baja-inspired performance. Featuring unique specs like a lifted suspension with adjustable Fox shock absorbers, this off-road monster comes alive the harder it's pushed. A clear sign that this SUV is truly ready to tackle nearly anything and go nearly anywhere. All of this performance is backed by an exterior design that highlights 4Runner's ability to go nearly anywhere. Up front, a new high-clearance front bumper makes it easier to clear obstacles while driving off-road. And around back, an available hands-free power liftgate enhances practicality, complementing 4Runner's signature and standard power rear window. Meanwhile, each grade stands out with distinct exterior details, like a roof rack and high-mount air intake highlighting Trailhunter's adventurous nature, a heritage-inspired grille with an integrated light bar on Trailhunter and TRD Pro, black-painted over fenders on TRD Pro, or details like 20-inch wheels and available power running boards on premium grades. 4Runner's bold exterior is complemented by a functional and eye-catching interior. This refined cabin is built around practical convenience, standout style, and next-generation comfort that starts with comfortable fabric-trimmed seats on SR5, TRD Sport, and TRD Off-Road. Limited and Platinum elevate this feel with heated and ventilated power-adjustable front seats, a heated steering wheel, digital rear-view mirror, and the Platinum-grade standard heated outboard rear seats. The performance grades include noteworthy details inside too, like Trailhunter's rugged interior theme with unique Softex trimmed seats, or TRD Pro's sporty red stitch seats with technical camo pattern inserts. And for added versatility, all 4Runners include second-row seats that fold and tumble forward for more cargo space, while select grades can be equipped with an available third row, allowing more friends to tag along. 4Runner's practicality goes beyond comfortably carrying people and gear. The iForce Max grades allow you to stay charged up during epic road trips thanks to an available 2400-watt AC inverter. Similarly, an available pre-wired auxiliary DC panel allows 4Runner to power even more electronic accessories, further highlighting its viability as a true adventure vehicle. 4Runner's blend of performance, versatility, and design is backed by intuitive technologies that help fuel epic trips out to far-out destinations. Front and center sits the Toyota Audio Multimedia System, which comes with either a standard 8-inch or available 14-inch touchscreen, wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as 5 USB-C ports, 3 in the front and 2 in the rear. And to maximize the music experience from this high-tech platform, 4Runner can be equipped with a 14-speaker JBL Premium audio system. This system includes the innovative JBL Flex Bluetooth speaker, which can be detached to allow your tunes to stay with you, whether out on a solo hike or paired with other JBL Flex speakers for a truly unique listening experience camping in the wilderness. 4Runner raises the tech bar even higher when it comes to convenience features. For instance, an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and an available head-up display puts key information right in the driver's line of sight, reducing the need to take your eyes off the road. Meanwhile, the available 3D multi-terrain monitor helps show what's around the vehicle when off-roading. Plus, the available tow technology package makes it simple to make use of 4Runner's 6,000-pound max towing capacity. And when it comes to active safety, every grade comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. What's more, every grade also comes standard with blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, providing enhanced peace of mind on every drive. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner's remarkable balance of on-road refinement and off-road ability embodies excitement and adventure for a whole new generation. It's both a massively capable off-road SUV with adventure seekers in mind and a high-tech daily driver that fuels epic road trips to discover everything the world has to offer. Plus, 4Runner's iForce Max Hybrid EV grades reduce carbon emissions to help support Beyond Zero, Toyota's vision for a carbon-neutral future, and more. With all of these factors considered, it's clear that 4Runner is poised to redefine the rugged SUV once again. Learn more at toyota.com/4runner.